Jack, thank you for the invite.
Thank you for coming.
AXYZ Openhouse. Would you be kind enough to explain who you are,
Yes.
what you do in the company you work for, and to give us we'll have a chat and get some insight into what this machine actually does for engineers. So,
Yeah,
who are
absolutely.
you?
So I'm Jack. I'm the WARDJet technical sales engineer for the UK. WARDJet is an American company. We manufacture all of our machines over in Ohio in America. Established around about 30 years, and we supply machinery to all markets. So we're part of the umbrella of the AAG. So we have AXYZ Automation Group, we've got AXYZ products, and also the WARDJet waterjet machines here.
Okay, so how long have you been here in the UK?
I've been selling in the UK for waterjet machines around about 6 years.
Okay.
And then AXYZ, we've been established in the UK for around about 25 years now.
Okay. And speaking to your MD earlier, you've got quite a big operation, Europe and global.
Yes, absolutely. So primarily AXYZ, we operate through dealership networks around the world, whereas the waterjets, we primarily deal with the end user and the customer. So yeah, we've got quite a global footprint for both product lines and both companies.
So parts, service,
absolutely,
spares,
yes,
not
all
a
the
problem.
good stuff. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah. Men on the ground.
Good stuff. So we're talking about the waterjet cutting machine that you supply, and again, for someone who's not educated in this field, where does this fit into the world of engineering?
So there's not really an in particular industry or workflow where waterjet will fit into. It's very versatile, and I think because of that, there are so many different opportunities for businesses, manufacturing facilities, all the way down to small prototype facilities to fit a waterjet into. So really, materials is not a limitation for a waterjet machine. We can cut any materials, all the way down from light good foam materials, all the way up to your harder tool steel materials as well. So,
right, okay.
But primarily and more commonly, the waterjets are associated with metal work.
So that's quite interesting, because in the workshops that I've been to, they're obviously working with metals, but they're also working with foams,
yes, absolutely,
etc. And a normal laser machine would obviously burn the thing apart. So
correct.
your waterjet is versatile.
Yes, absolutely, and all in the same process. So this machine that we've got here, this is our X1530. So this is quite a standard mid-range size. We have got the 5 axes accompanied on this system as well. So really, one system can cover all those materials. As I said, we've got 1.5 by 3 meters on here, and we've got a total of 300 millimeters on the Z-axis as well. So quite a wide range of capabilities.
It's a 5-axis?
It is, yes.
Full 5-axis?
Correct, yes. So 360-degree rotation and 60-degree of maximum tilt on there as well.
Okay, so complete variation of how it can cut.
Absolutely. So whether it's just a simple 45-degree bevel weld prep scenario, or it might be something more complex like a full 5-axis, 3-dimensional geometry foam insert for whatever the application might be.
Okay, and a lot of the customers buy for prototyping, is that correct?
They can, absolutely. Yeah. So our smallest system is a 600 millimeter by 1200 millimeter system. Okay. That's what we call our A series. You may have seen it with the enclosure on top. That's really targeting those smaller workshops, whether it is and educational facilities. Market, absolutely. Okay. So educational, research and development or prototyping, but as well as general manufacturing facilities have invested in the A series due to its compact size, but also its capabilities of cutting those kind of materials, which we would find on something of a larger system like this here.
Okay. So for me, I mean, I'm just trying to learn. You've got here this material that feeds in.
Yes.
How does that sort of gel? How does that work?
So what we introduce high pressure water into the cutting head initially. So that would typically be up to 60,000 psi, but 90,000 psi is available for some applications. So first of all, high pressure water into the cutting head. This is driven, what we would typically supply is a hydraulic intensifier pump system, but other pump technologies are available. We then introduce the abrasive into what people may call the mixing, the focusing tube. We call it a nozzle. So we mix that water and abrasive together, and that is essentially the tool that we cut the material with.
So that's the cutting
that
element,
is the cutting
the force,
element, absolutely,
combined with a grade of material.
Absolutely. So, and then for those lighter materials, whether it's foam, gaskets, rubbers, we don't introduce that abrasive.
Yeah,
so it's
simply, level up or down.
Yeah, just pure water, and that gets us really down to those finer margins. So typical 4 foul is a typical water-only jet size.
And I'm also presuming that in this world of saving energy, you're reusing
Yes, we can do, absolutely.
the materials that you're putting in.
So water recycling is quite key to some facilities.
Yep.
So we offer water recycling systems. The abrasive you can recover and reuse. We used to do a recycling system. And also on the pump side now, we do a servo hybrid. So it's a hydraulic motor and a servo motor, and it gives you that more efficient pump, actually.
Is this the bit where I say I'll buy one?
Hopefully.
Wonderful. Okay, Matt, thank you very much for the insight. Really great day, lots of learning. And yeah, look forward to learning more about some of the other ranges in the years to come.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you, Jess.
Cheers.
Appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thank you.